Hi, welcome to the third part of the Spur gear housing in Onshape. So let's hide those parts. I need a sketch because I want to have some reference points. And let's go for a point over here and over there. And add some dimensions. So, which one is which? So the distance from that one here should be, make it like that, and this should be 85 millimeter, and the distance here should be 57.5 millimeter. Of course, 50.5 millimeter. Okay, and this one should be aligned horizontal, so let's go for those 2 points. And the distance between them should be 100. Okay, finish that sketch. I will need 2 circles. So go for another sketch. I could do that in this sketch, but I want to do it in a new sketch. Okay. Now let's bring in the first point. Put a circle right there. And the diameter should be 112. Finish that sketch, make an extrude, and that extrude should go up to a plane or 2 planes, and it should go up to 62.5. So let's take a look at our planes, those 2. Let's make it visible to this one and that one. Yeah, so let's go for an extrude. Let's go for up to face, second in position again up to face. Now let's select this face and that face, and of course this sketch, and confirm. Another sketch, same plane, bring in that point, make it a circle right there, and make it again 112. Finish that sketch, and same procedure as before. Take that sketch, make an extrude. I could add it in this case, that would be okay, so let's go for add, and it should go up to a face, to this face, and second end position should be again a face, this one, and confirm. Okay, great. Let's hide that part here. Now I need another sketch on this plane here. Let's take a look from the front. Bring in those 2 points. Not really necessary. And I want to use a line. This should be for construction only. Yep. And I need a rectangle. Not for construction, so go for rectangle, and this should be 205 by 90. So that's 205 by 90. Let's align this. So let's go for maybe symmetry. Yeah, so this line and that line should be symmetric to this one. Obviously it didn't catch. Snap, snap, snap. Okay. And would be nice to have a midpoint. So let's go for a midpoint. Here's the point. And this should be the midpoint here. Nice. And now a line. Let's see, can we make it symmetric to a point? I don't recall. This one and that one symmetric to that point. Is that possible? Not really, it needs a line, so let's go for a line. Make it for construction. Put it up there. Okay, and now we can go for symmetry. This one and that one symmetric to this one. Nice. Leave that sketch. And now I need an extrude, which is 2.5 millimeter less than the other ones. And there is no option to do it with an offset from a plane. That's sad, so I will go for... Oh, there's a starting offset, sorry. We can use that. So let's try to go for up to... Let's select the sketch first. Okay, that's the sketch. And I want to have a new body. Yeah, that's okay. And I want to go up to a face. Can I have... Yeah, I can have an offset distance. That's nice. So the face would be this one, or maybe that one. Doesn't matter. Let's go for this one. And I can have a starting offset, but not an end offset. Offset distance. Let's activate this. Oh, that's nice. So let's go for 2.5 millimeter. Great. So the other direction should be also up to a face, to this face. Okay. Offset distance. And it should be... Yeah, maybe it's minus, we will see. Up to face, offset distance, maybe it's 2.5 as well. Check it out. No, yeah, that's okay. So let's confirm. Great. Let's hide that part as well. Next step would be a sketch on this plane here. Let's try to select it. This one. Yeah, kind of hard to select here. Like that. And let's take a look from above, and that will be a rectangle. And that rectangle would be 100 by 50. 100 by 50. Great. Let's align it, make it symmetric. So let's go this one, and that one should be symmetric to this plane here. And this one and that one should be symmetric to this one. Great. Leave that sketch. And let's make an extrude up to the topmost plane. Should be, where is it? This one up there to this one. Yes. So let's go for an extrude with this sketch and go up to a face, to this face, and confirm. Great. Okay, let's hide that part as well. I will need another sketch now on that plane here. Go here, and I need sort of an L shape. So let's draw it over here. Something like this here. Yeah, like that. Add some dimensions. So this should be, nope, come on. This should be 70 millimeter. This should be 30 millimeter. That would be 40 millimeter. And this distance should be 15 millimeter. Yes, and it should be aligned. Where do we go? We need collinearity, parallel, coincidence. So go for coincidence. So this should be coincident with this one here. And let's go for symmetry. This one and that one should be symmetric to this plane here. Nice. Leave that sketch and let's make an extrude. I will need two planes. Let's take a look. That would be, do I have those planes? This should be those two, this one and that one, and I needed to have an offset of 2 millimeter. So let's see. I want to extrude that sketch here again up to a face, up to this face, and it should be 2 millimeter more. So let's go for an offset distance and see if we can go for minus. Or no, we can change the direction. So let's go for 2 millimeter. No need for minus, but switch it like that. Great. Second end position should be again a face. That would be this face. Again, I want to use an offset distance. Again, 2 millimeter, or maybe 2.5. And let's take a look. Yeah, switch it so it's 2 millimeter more. That looks okay. And confirm. Great. Okay, let's add a full round fillet. So go for fillet, go for full round. So that would be the first face. This would be the second face. And that is the face to round. Great. And confirm. Now let's bring back all those parts. Show all parts. Nice. Yep. So that's it for today. Hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Facebook, X, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.